So, if you're wondering what this is that I am driving, it is a 2019 Mini Cooper S with the John Cooper Works Tuning Kit. So to start, let's talk about some of the exterior features on this beautiful car. LED headlights with piano black trim around them. Piano black grille accents as well. Piano black gas cap. Piano black door handles. Piano black taillight trim with these beautiful Union Jack taillights. JCW spoiler with the little winglets. 18-inch Mini Yours wheels with 205/40 R18 run flat tires. The new Night Jack side scuttles. And of course, it's all finished off in this Solaris orange with white roof and white mirror caps. A very bright, very energetic Mini. This is one you would love to have and love to drive. And what makes this one even more special is the fact that it has the John Cooper Works Tuning Kit. And that tuning kit comes with this wonderful chrome-tipped exhaust system with a Bluetooth valve. Inside the car, it is standard Mini Cooper S fare, or should I say upgraded Mini Cooper S fare. Starting with the punch leather interior, this nice Mini Yours leather steering wheel, fiber alloy dash, of course a 6-speed manual gearbox, and we get touchscreen navigation with Apple CarPlay if you have an iPhone. And so you can keep your eyes on the road, we have the heads-up display. Should you decide you want to jam to your favorite music, we have the Harman Kardon sound system in here. And if you absolutely must, a panorama sunroof. And under the bonnet, a 2-liter, 210 horsepower 4-cylinder engine, and of course the programming update for the John Cooper Works Tuning Kit. Anyway, some of you all might be asking, what does this car cost? Well, it's just under $37,000, and that includes the John Cooper Works Tuning Kit, which is a phenomenal tuning kit to have, and it just makes this car so much more fun to drive. Instead of the standard 189, you got 210 horsepower to work with. It's just a phenomenal vehicle. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. And before I let you all go, I just want to remind you all that life is too short to drive a boring car. So as always, drive a Mini. I'll see you all later.